Hi my sweets and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about me unboxing and telling you about like what I think and stuff. So I ordered clothes that are affordable from SHEIN. I don't know if you've heard it. So I've got it right here with me. I'm going to be opening up with you all. I think I ordered this 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago. I'm confused. One thing you might not know about me is that I always buy affordable clothes. Like, I don't like buying expensive branded clothes and stuff like that. That's not me. I always, like, my family and my friends, they all know that I always buy like from sale. So every time I see there's a sale somewhere, then I go crazy. Like, I'm like, oh look, there's a sale in front of everyone. But yeah, so I like to buy affordable clothes. That's why when I found out about this website, SHEIN, I was thinking like, wow, this can't be so, like, why is it so cheap? You know, like, it's not too expensive at all, and you can get, like, you get many clothes within a certain price, you know. Like, for example, let's say if you're going to be spending $40 for like just a t-shirt, branded t-shirt, you can get like 10 clothes from somewhere else. Yeah, I saw SHEIN and I actually fell in love. So now the thing is that I am making this unboxing video just so you all can see how it is. It's the first time I have ordered from SHEIN, so I don't really know how their clothing is, like if it's a cheap material or anything, but like for me it doesn't bother me much. As long as it looks good, it's fine. I will also be looking at like if it's modest enough for me to wear it. Obviously if it's too tight and stuff and if it's see-through, I can't wear it. I don't like wearing clothes like that. So anyways, so without further ado, let's just go straight into the video. Okay, I like how they are like packed. Look, you can see that they have their name on it, and then you can just open and shut it. Before opening it, I didn't know that I was going to make a video about this, so I can't really go back to my order and see what exactly the name is and stuff, but I'm going to try my best to link it down below whenever I find it. And also I'm going to be comparing how it looks on the picture and how it looks in real life. Like, I will be putting the picture on the side or just on the screen somewhere. So yeah, there will be a comparison if it does look like the picture they show us. So the first one is this beautiful coloured top. Material is quite I don't know, like curtains. I don't mind. I'm gonna try it on and then I will show you. But it looks like this. It has like big arms, long sleeved, but I really love this part. So let's see how it looks on me. I'm just going to be putting my hijab backwards so you can see the front, how it looks. I like it, like I actually love it. Look at this. It looks so nice. It's so cool, like it's something different. I never owned anything like this, so it's quite new for me, but I like it. Looks like this from the front. Look. So far, this is a yes. The next one is this pink, dusty pink, nude coloured. It feels really thick. Wait. Okay, so this one looks quite big. I don't know what size. Okay, so basically this is small. I'm just going to be trying it on and then I'll get back to you. I do like it, but the material is it's different. I've never worn any material like this, so it feels different on me. But like, I don't know if you can, like, you can't really see it if I just do like this. So yeah, the only issue is that I'm not in love with this material. You see, also this is small size, but it's very big, so it looks too big. I do wear big sizes and all, but this is like too big. There's a zipper at the back here. It's quite hard, so I couldn't zip it all the way up, so it's like halfway. So I'm just scared to break it. But other than that, I do like it. It's not bad. I like the arms very much. If I knew that it had this material and if it looked really big and stuff like that, then I wouldn't probably order it. But I do like it. It's not bad. I do like the arms though. Look, it has this little cute button here. Looks like these buttons. But yeah, I like the arms. It's quite a little bit short, but yeah. White. Ooh, okay. Okay, it looks like this. I'm gonna quickly try it on. So, in this one, I'm not gonna lie, I love it, but I do look like a cook. So, but I do like it. I actually love it. I love the material. It's so soft. It's actually so soft. Looks like this. I love the buttons and the size is perfect. Not too loose, not too tight. And I love how it goes all the way up. So this is a yes from me. So the next one is black with white lining and stuff like that. This one was so cheap, I remember. It was like 50 kronas. All the clothings are under $10 for sure. But this one was extremely cheap. So let's see how this looks. I think it was like $4, 3, 4 probably, 4 maybe, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on quickly and then get right back again. Okay, so I have to keep on changing the hijab because like if I wear black then you won't be able to see which is what. So this one, honestly, I am in love. The only problem is that it's very tight. Not like, I can't really show properly. It's not tight here, but like some parts is very tight. But look at the arms, please look at the arms. I'm actually in love. I really like when the arms are big, and I love how it's like all the way to my neck. It's like a polo. I love the material. It looks exactly like the picture, if not better. I love this material. It's very cheap, and then also I love when it's like when it has linings and all that. Yeah, I actually like it. So this is a yes from me as well. And let's just get straight into the next one. Ooh, I like the colour. It's exactly the same as in the picture. Looks like this. I'm just gonna try it on and then I'll be right back. So in this one, I love the material. It's like chiffon, like my chiffon hijabs, and it feels so good as well. It's not bad at all. I like this, but it looks like a napkin, but it's so like still nice. Little design, and I love the design they have here as well. Like it looks so nice, and it's not too tight either. I usually wear loose clothes. Yeah, so this is how it looks. I think that it does look like the picture. The colour is the same as well, so I'm not disappointed at all. This one for sure is a yes from me. The only thing is that now I don't know how you guys are. If you do mind these stuff that sticks out, like, you know, it's opening up a little bit. But for me, it doesn't matter. So I ordered trousers as well, white ones, because I really want it. Now, I was expecting them to be different. I think they will be short on me, but I will try it on. The material is quite thick, like it's like a wintry material for me. So, but the fact that it's open, then you know you can still wear it during summers, because like it will still give you it will still let you breathe basically. So I'm gonna try it on and then I'll be right back. I have to show you all from the mirror because I don't know how to otherwise show you. The thing with this is that it is indeed short. It's very loose. I like it. It's not see-through at all. And you also can tie a knot here. It's not bad. It's okay. Like, yeah, it looks like a normal trouser. But the material is very different though. Now I'm gonna go into the next one, and I can't remember what this exactly is, but it does look nice so far. Okay, what is this? Look at the buttons. It looks so nice. It actually looks so nice. I'm gonna try it on. Okay, so I've tried it on now and it actually looks so nice. This is probably like, this is honestly hands down my favorite. Like, just okay, I'm just gonna go back a little bit so you can see more. Let me just put your back hat. Okay, so look at this. Honestly, it's my favorite. The length is quite good as well. It's really nice, and I love the buttons. I love how the hands stick out like this. It's so nice, and it does not feel cheap at all. It does feel like a normal jacket material. Like, it's not even a jacket material, but it feels so good. The material feels amazing. It's a little bit stretchable as well, so I really like it. I really do like it. It's actually amazing. So I'd really recommend this from their website. It does feel so good. Yeah, you can also keep it open like this and just, yeah, have it open basically. This is actually one of my favorites. So the last one is basically trousers. So I'm just gonna put them on and then show you all from the mirror instead, so you can see how it looks and stuff. Just put on the this shirt as well, because it looks quite similar, so you can also wear it as a one piece. But let me just show you. It's so nice, and honestly it feels so good. You have to tie a knot as well, actually connected to the pants, so you can't really remove this. But oh good lord, it looks so nice. I love how it's loose as well. It's quite loose, and it looks, honestly, it looks so good, and it feels so nice. That was pretty much it. I'm honestly very happy with all the clothes I have bought, but the only issue is this pink top. It feels very warm. I don't like the material so much, and it looks very big, but I can somehow manage it. And also I'll be posting some outfit pictures and stuff like that on my Instagram channel, so if you want to see all of that, and if you want to stay in contact with me, then you can follow me on Instagram, or you can DM me that, or you can Snapchat me, anything. So yeah, I hope you really liked this video. We'll continue having a blessed day and keep on staying blessed forever, and yeah, I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.